So if you're new to kettlebell training, I've got you. Today's tutorial video, I want to be taking you through some exercises that I'll be doing later on in another video, a workout. I see a lot of the times, especially in a gym setting, when someone puts a kettlebell in their hands, they may just need a little of assistance, and that's okay, because the kettlebell is a tool that is tough to handle. It's kind of intimidating when you look at it. It's something that's kind of awkwardly placed together. So I want to shorten that learning curve for you today. So the first exercise we're going to go over is a kettlebell swing. Now, with the kettlebell swing, I want you to think about hinging at the hip. There's different ways to learn this. This is how I learn, this is how I teach. You're going to hinge. So I want you to imagine if there was a car door, or even like a door anywhere that's open, and I got to hit it with my butt. So I'm going to push that door and I got to close the door. So I'm going to hinge at the hip and I'm going to close that door. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So you're going to push your butt out and you're going to hinge at the hip. You're going to place the kettlebell right in front of you. So when I do this, my hamstrings, my glutes, my lower back, my arms are only an extension of the kettlebell. So it's just your arms are just going for the ride. So when you're pushing down into the ground, your feet, I want you to really like brace your feet into the floor. That way you can't move. So here we go. Let's do a few, and then we'll talk about it. All right, can you hear me breathing? When I'm breathing, I'm inhaling as I'm coming down. I'm exhaling as I'm coming up. Your arms are straight and they're locked out. My glutes are squeezed together. As the bell descends, as it comes down, I'm letting that weight pull me, and then I'm controlling it on the way back up. I'm not squatting. I'm not squatting down when I'm swinging the kettlebell. I'm swinging it. Kettlebell swing. Next exercise is a goblet squat. If you have trouble squatting, you can always squat on a bench or on a step or on a box or on a chair. A regular bodyweight squat is up and down. The only difference is now I have my kettlebell and I'm going to brace myself as I come down. So I want you to imagine like there's a hole where my feet are, and I'm pulling myself down with tension and I'm driving out of it. I'm going to pull and drive out of it. So you want to really imagine like someone's pulling you down and you got to get out of it. You got to go. The goblet squat is one of the most universal recognized exercise. It's so great because all your tension, everything is in the front part of the body. Your glutes are having to work. Your quads are going to have to work. But it's a lot different than doing a back squat because everything is in the front. Everything's in the core. My posture. Back squat, a little bit different. A lot safer here. Start here. Try a goblet squat. Really great exercise. The next exercise we're going to be doing is an alternating clean. If you're wearing a watch, take it off because you're going to break it. I'm just telling you. I took mine off. Let me show you from the front. That way you get a good angle of this, and I'll show you from the side. So when you bring the weight up, my back is again, I'm trying to close that car door. I'm going to bring this kettlebell up close to my body, and I'm going to bring it down. So it runs really close to the body. My grip, I have a pretty good, I don't have a strong grip on it. It's kind of soft here, but I'm not going to let this go back this way. I want to keep like a strong fist grip on this, okay? So this sits right here, and it sits right here, kind of just sits there. Let me show you from the side. Side angle. Bring it up, back down, flat back. I want you to imagine like you're zipping up your jacket. If you had a coat on, you're zipping it, and the bell just follows, it just rotates over. So here, zip, follow. Zip, bring it up, back down. If you struggle with having the kettlebell on your wrist, I have small, skinny wrists, but it's taken me some time. I've been using the kettlebell a long time, but it did. At first, it took me a little bit of time. I put some bands, there's like some sweat bands, some wrist bands on around my small tiny wrists, and it really helped. But as you get stronger, your forearms will get stronger, your grip will get stronger as you're using the kettlebell. So the next exercise is a push press. So a push press, a strict press, you don't bend your knees. You just push from the shoulder. A push press, I'm gonna clean it up again. So my grip, again, same thing. I'm gonna bend at the knee and I'm gonna drive this up. So is that considered cheating? No, it's a different lift. It's a push press. All you're doing is you're using your legs, bend and pop up to the top. So when I'm pressing this, let me show you from the side. That way you get a good angle. Clean it. It goes kind of behind me. So I can't see the kettlebell in my peripheral at all. You want to get it behind you because your lats, which are in your back, your shoulder is bracing this weight, and you want to get it as tall as you can with your arm as you take it up there. That's your push press. Bend, be strong, man. Yeah! I'm not a cheerleader, but that's what I imagine. The next exercise we'll be doing is a farmer carry. Now, farmer carries can be done with 2 kettlebells. In this sense, we only have 1 kettlebell. So we can use 2 if we wanted. Dumbbells, really anything. I'm using a 24 kilogram, which is about 53 pounds. I can walk towards you with this, and I'm really having to brace with my abs because it's pulling me in one direction. So I'm having to fight it. It's really good to use one. Give it a go, give it a shot. I can switch hands. I can go the other way. I can carry these. I can clean it up. I can hold it above the head. Here's another form of a carry. Man, this one's great too. But there's so many different ways that you can do a farmer's carry or a loaded carry. I can hold it here. Man, talk about bracing everything. We like to do a lot of like marches. So this is a great one to do. Just to do for 20 seconds, 30 seconds one side, then 30 seconds switch to the other side. But man, I'm really having to brace with my abs. Use your core. That's the great thing about kettlebell training. You use your core. These aren't really challenging exercises. These are ones that are gonna help you feel a lot better, gonna help you feel stronger. Give it a go on all of these. And when you're ready, we'll have another video. Go check it out. Go check out all our videos. We have workouts that are designed to help you get in and out of your workout, but also gain strength. We just had someone send us a message, really cool message. This guy said, I am in the best shape of my life. And it's been the last 15 years, I'm in the best shape. That's what he told us. So he's in the best shape. 15 years ago, he wasn't in good shape. Now he's in the best shape of his life. I'm just telling you, doing things like this, I kind of butchered that, but it's okay. This stuff right here is gonna help you get stronger, but it takes practice. Have fun in your workouts. Have fun in what you're doing. Don't forget to subscribe to what we're trying to accomplish here. We're trying to get the message out that kettlebell training can be simple as this. It's challenging, but it can be as simple as this. We want to help busy adults get fit fast so that way they can get back to their life. Thanks for watching.